What do you say when the camera's out? Whoa. What are you doing? What did you ask Daddy to do? Pick up Zoe, please. Where did you want Zoe?
In bed.
In bed? What are you going to do with her? You're going to do what with Zozo? All right, Zozo. Whoa. Oh. Aren't you going to play with Zoe? All right, Zozo. The two kids. I think Zoe needs to get out. Say bye to the camera. Bye-bye. Hey, can you count for me? No. Can you do your ABCs? A. A. Then what? A. B. C. D. What comes after D? What comes after D? Whoa, all right, bye-bye. Bye, camera.